Beyond bulk rethinking the fitness paradigm. For decades, the image of a bodybuilder with bulging biceps and chiseled abs has dominated the fitness landscape. This has led many to believe that bodybuilding is the ultimate path to fitness. It's easy to see why we're bombarded with images of muscular physiques equating them to peak physical prowess. However, this perception often overlooks the bigger picture of genuine health and well-being. True fitness encompasses far more than just muscle mass. It's about building a body that is strong, resilient, and adaptable to the demands of everyday life. It's about moving with grace, fluidity, and pain-free ease. And it's about having the energy and stamina to pursue our passions with vigor and enthusiasm. This holistic approach to fitness extends beyond the gym, influencing our overall health and quality of life. This essay challenges the notion that bodybuilding is the only path to fitness. We'll delve into the limitations of traditional bodybuilding routines and explore alternative training methods. These methods, often overlooked, can unlock a higher level of functional strength, mobility, and overall well-being. Get ready to redefine your understanding of fitness and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more capable you. The Bodybuilding Blueprint: Aesthetics over Function. Bodybuilding, at its core, is an art form. It's about sculpting the physique to achieve a specific aesthetic ideal. Bodybuilders dedicate countless hours to meticulously crafting their muscles, striving for hypertrophy, the increase in muscle size. They adhere to strict training regimens and dietary plans, all in pursuit of the perfect physique. The typical bodybuilding routine revolves around isolation exercises. These exercises target specific muscle groups, often neglecting the synergistic movements that our bodies naturally perform. Imagine bicep curls, triceps extensions, and leg extensions, all designed to isolate and maximize the growth of individual muscles. This approach, while effective for muscle gain, often comes at the expense of functional strength and overall athleticism. Moreover, the pursuit of hypertrophy often leads bodybuilders down a path of strict dietary restrictions and, in some cases, the use of performance-enhancing drugs. While these practices can accelerate muscle growth, they can also have detrimental effects on long-term health. This pursuit of size over function can create imbalances within the body, limiting its ability to perform well-rounded movements. It's like building a house with beautifully sculpted walls, but neglecting the foundation and the roof, unveiling the limitations, imbalances, and beyond. While bodybuilding excels at building muscle mass, its limitations become apparent when we consider the bigger picture of functional fitness. The human body is an intricate network of interconnected muscles, tendons, and ligaments designed to work in harmony. When we prioritize the development of specific muscles over others, we disrupt this delicate balance. For instance, the classic bodybuilder physique often features overdeveloped chest and shoulder muscles coupled with underdeveloped back muscles. This imbalance can lead to a hunched-over posture, placing excessive strain on the neck, shoulders, and back. Furthermore, the focus on isolation exercises can neglect the development of core strength. A strong core is crucial for maintaining stability, balance, and preventing injuries during everyday activities. Beyond these physical limitations, the rigid structure of bodybuilding routines can lead to mental fatigue. The repetitive nature of isolation exercises and the pressure to constantly push for heavier weights can result in burnout. It's like being stuck on a treadmill, going through the motions without experiencing the joy and variety that a well-rounded fitness routine can offer. Functional fitness training for real-life strength. In contrast to bodybuilding's focus on aesthetics, functional fitness prioritizes movements that mimic and enhance our ability to perform everyday tasks. Imagine effortlessly lifting heavy grocery bags, sprinting to catch the bus, or playing tag with your kids. These are the real-world applications of functional strength. It's about training your body to move with ease, power, and efficiency in any situation. Functional training routines incorporate compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Think squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and pull-ups movements that recruit a symphony of muscles to work together. This approach not only builds balanced strength, but also enhances coordination, balance, and body awareness. It's like training your body to be a well-oiled machine, ready to tackle any challenge. Moreover, functional fitness embraces variety and adaptability. It encourages you to step outside the confines of the weight room and explore different movement modalities. From bodyweight training and yoga to rock climbing and hiking, the possibilities are endless. This element of exploration keeps your workouts engaging, prevents boredom, and challenges your body in new and exciting ways. As we look toward the future of fitness, it's clear that the landscape is evolving rapidly. Emerging technologies are reshaping how we train, recover, and think about our bodies. Imagine virtual reality workouts transporting you to stunning landscapes, making each session immersive. Wearable tech provides real-time feedback, ensuring optimal performance and injury prevention. The future is also about personalization. AI-driven programs will analyze your biomechanics, crafting routines that adapt as you progress. This customization will make achieving your goals more efficient and enjoyable. Moreover, integrating mental wellness into fitness regimes is gaining momentum. Mindfulness, meditation, and stress management are becoming essential components of a holistic approach. The future of fitness isn't just about physical prowess, but also fostering a balanced, resilient mind. Sustainability is another key trend. Eco-friendly gyms, sustainable gear, and reducing our carbon footprint are priorities. The future of fitness is about personal health and the health of our planet. As we embrace these advancements, one thing remains constant: the commitment to bettering ourselves. Whether through cutting-edge technology or ancient practices, the journey towards a fitter, healthier future is exciting. Let's step into this future with enthusiasm and an open mind. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of recovery and rest in achieving optimal fitness results. While pushing our limits is often glorified, the real gains come when we allow our bodies to heal and rebuild. Let's start with the science behind muscle repair. When you exercise, especially with resistance training, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. This might sound alarming, but it's a natural part of the muscle building process. Your body repairs these micro tears during rest, making your muscles stronger and more resilient. One of the most effective recovery techniques is sleep. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones, which are crucial for muscle repair and overall recovery. Aim for at least 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night to support your fitness goals. Another essential recovery method is active recovery. This includes low-intensity activities like walking, yoga, or light stretching. These activities increase blood flow to your muscles, helping to deliver nutrients and remove waste products, speeding up the recovery process. Let's not forget the importance of nutrition. Consuming a balanced diet, rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates fuels your recovery. Protein is particularly vital as it provides the amino acids needed for muscle repair. Incorporating rest days into your workout routine is not a sign of weakness. It's a strategic move for maximum gains. Rest days give your muscles the time they need to recover fully, reducing the risk of overtraining and injury. Remember, fitness is not just about the time you spend working out, it's also about the time you spend recovering. By prioritizing rest and recovery, you create a sustainable fitness routine that promotes long-term health and performance. So, as you continue your fitness journey, don't overlook the power of rest and recovery. They are the unsung heroes that will help you achieve your goals more efficiently and enjoyably. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of recovery and rest in achieving optimal fitness results. Many people overlook the significance of giving their bodies time to heal and grow stronger. We'll dive into the science behind muscle recovery and the benefits of rest days. First, let's understand why recovery is crucial. When you engage in physical activity, your muscles experience tiny tears. These micro tears are a natural part of the muscle building process. During rest, your body repairs these tears, making your muscles stronger. One of the most effective recovery techniques is sleep. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones essential for muscle repair. Aim for at least 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Active recovery is another vital component. This includes low-intensity activities like walking, yoga, or light stretching. These activities increase blood flow to your muscles, speeding up the recovery process. Nutrition also plays a critical role in recovery. Consuming a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates fuels your recovery. Finally, incorporating rest days into your workout routine is a strategic move for maximum gains. Rest days give your muscles the time they need to recover fully, reducing the risk of overtraining and injury. Remember, fitness is not just about the time you spend working out, it's also about the time you spend recovering. By prioritizing rest and recovery, you create a sustainable fitness routine that promotes long-term health and performance. So, as you continue your fitness journey, don't overlook the power of rest and recovery. They are the unsung heroes that will help you achieve your goals more efficiently and enjoyably. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you.